The oil though? My gosh, I'm super dewy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're outside of Marshall's. I am so excited because one of my friends told me that Marshall's now has the Anastasia stuff, Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm so excited. I'm crossing my fingers that they still have it. She texted me yesterday, and so we're here today. Hopefully they have it. I can't wait. Remember, if you like these types of videos, please give it a thumbs up because it helps my channel. And also, please feel free to share this video. Thank you guys so much for all the love in my last video where I told you guys about my monetization. I really appreciate each and every single one of you. Let's get into what goodies I find at Marshall's. Guys, I've found the mother load. Look at this. They have the Anastasia Aurora, $24.99. I don't remember how much this is originally. Is it on there? Oh, $42. They have tons. They have this Too Faced Royal Oil, $12.99. Ooh, the Last Lip Palette, $24.99. That's what it looks like. They have CoverGirl Ultra Smooth. We've seen this a time or two. Mira. Did you see that? Ooh, car track cream. They also have the powdered one. $18.99. Look what I found, a liquid lipstick. And it's $6.99 in the color Karina. Here's some e.l.f. lipsticks. I found another Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Naked for $6.99. I would honestly take it, but it's opened. They also have Boscia. What is this? An oil-infused exfoliating powder, $9.99. There's Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair, $69.99. Guys, I just bought this cream at Ulta. I spent $23 for this cream, and look how much they sell it for here, $7.99. I feel ripped off. They have a lot of e.l.f. stuff. They have the finishing powder, $2.99. They have one of the e.l.f. highlighters in pink diamond, $1.99. Look at this clay eyeshadow palette. Here's an overview of what I found. So first off, this face mask right here. This is for hydrating and it is $5.99. And it comes with 3. These are really good masks. And then I found this e.l.f. Hello Hydration Starter Set for $6.99. You get a daily face cleanser, an illuminating eye cream, and daily hydration moisturizer. And then the Glam Glow Mud to Oil Gentle Duox. I don't know what that says. And this is $44.99. And then I found this blush from e.l.f. Twinkle Pink, $1.99. And then I found the bronzer palettes for $2.99. And the Matte for Matte eyeshadow palettes for $3.99. And look, they even have Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Smooth. This is the only shade I could find. $2.99. They also have CoverGirl Outlast All Day Custom Reds. $2.99. Hey guys, so that pretty much wrapped up what I found at Marshall's. I'm so glad that I was able to find some of the Anastasia stuff that I wanted to find, like the glow kits and then the lip palette. And then I wish I had seen the eyeshadows, but they didn't have any. And then obviously we found liquid lipstick, so that was pretty exciting. You guys always ask me what I buy, and to show you guys, normally I don't buy anything. I literally just go into the store and I film and I show you guys what I found. But today I actually did buy a little thing or two, so I'm going to show you guys what I bought. So first of all, I bought this palette right here. This is the e.l.f. Matte for Matte. I feel like I have it, but I can't remember. And this was $3.99. And then I bought this e.l.f. bronze palette. I've heard that this is a really good palette, so I wanted to try it, and it's only $2.99. And then I bought the e.l.f. blush, the Twinkle Pink, and that was $1.99. Honestly, I don't really see myself using this blush because it does have a lot of glitter, but I'll have to try it out and see if I'd use it or not, and if the glitter sticks to me. And then the last thing I bought is this. I bought the Anastasia lip palette. It was the last lip palette there. It was a sign that I needed to get it. So if you've made it this far, I'm going to be giving this away to one of you. If you look at the palette, it looks a little busted, the packaging, but I just checked the inside. It hasn't been swatched, it hasn't been touched. It is authentic. It is originally from Anastasia. They're just probably making room for new stuff, and so they sell things to Marshalls and TJ Maxx. And as you saw from my clips, it was protected from a security box, so it is in good condition. It's just the outside box. Anyways, if you want the chance to win, the palette, all you need to do is, number one, be a subscriber. Duh, my giveaways are from my subscribers. 2 is share this video on any of your social media platforms, and make sure that you screenshot it because I will be asking for proof. And then in the comments, just hashtag, leave me a comment, whatever you want, and then just hashtag wherever you shared this video. And I'll leave it up for a week. So today is January 22nd. It's the 22nd, right? Today is Monday, January 22nd. I'm hoping that the video will go up tomorrow, Tuesday. So whenever the video goes live, it's going to be exactly 1 week. The winner will be down in the description bar as always. Best of luck, Open International. Thank you for watching. Don't forget the thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed. Share the video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.